Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have a square root of x plus square root of x equals 5 and square root of x into square root of y equals to 5. So we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2, and now in the next step here first we eliminate all these square root sign on both of these equation, and after that we easily get the values of x and y. So here first we focus on equation number 1, and in equation number 1 here we need to take the square on both of the sides of this equation, and it is written as square root of x plus square root of y and its whole square equals to 5 square. So here we need the nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab, and here we have the value of a is square root of x, value of b is square root of y, and now we substitute these two values in this nice formula, and it is written as square root of x square plus square root of y square plus 2 times of square root of x into square root of y equals to 5 square, and we know that 5 square equals to 25. Here we need some simplification, so these 2 and square root are gone and we get x, these 2 and square root are gone and we get y, and here you have plus 2 times of square root of x into square root of y. So from equation number 2 we have the value of square root of x into square root of y equals to 5. So here we need the above value here, so it is 5 and the whole this is equals to 25. So now in the next step we have x plus y plus this is 2 times of 5 becomes 10 equals to 25, and now we move this 10 to the right hand side and it is written as x plus y equals to 25 minus 10, and we easily get the value of x plus y equals to 15, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now we focus on equation number 2. So our equation number 2 is this one, and now here we copy down equation number 2, and it is written as in this form: square root of x into square root of y equals to 5. This is our equation number 2, and here we combine the square root and we write it as in this form. And now we take squaring on both of the sides of this equation. So you see that these 2 and square root are gone, and we obtain here xy equals to 5 square, and 5 square becomes 25. So here we call this is our equation number 4. And now in order to find the values of x and y, here we need to solve the equation number 3 and equation number 4. So now we focus on equation number 3. So our equation number 3 is implies that, so this is x plus y equals to 15, and now we move this x to the right hand side and we find the value of y, so that we have y equals to 15 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 5. So in order to find the value of x and y, here we need to substitute this value of y in equation number 4, so that our equation number 4 is implies that this is xy, and we have the value of y is 15 minus x equals to 25. So now in the next step here we need to multiply this x on both terms, and it is written as 15x minus x square equals to 25. And further we move these two terms to the right hand side, so this is minus x square becomes plus x square, minus plus 15x becomes minus 15x, and this is plus 25 equals to 0. So here you see that this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that here we easily find the values of x by using the quadratic formula. So here first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 15, and c equals to 25. So we know about the quadratic formula. It is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our nice quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b and c in this nice formula. So it is written as, after substituting the values of a and b, so first we have minus b, and the value of b is minus 15 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 15 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 25, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and we have the value of a is equals to 1. So further we have, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 15 plus minus square root of minus 15 square equals to 225, and 4 times of 25 equals to 100, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. So now in the next step we have 15 plus minus square root of 225 minus 100 equals to 125, and it is divided by 2. So here we need more simplifications, and we focus on this radical term, and it is written as 15 plus minus square root of, this is 125, and we write it as 25 times of 5, and it is divided by 2. So here we know that the square root of 25 is equals to 5 into square root of 5, and it is divided by 2. So that here we have the two roots of the given equation are the two values of x are, first we write the positive value and we denote it by x1. It is 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 over 2, and the second value is x2. It is 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we have the two values of x are x1 and x2, and now we need to find the corresponding values of y. Okay, so here we need equation number 5. So here we first copy down the equation number 5. So this is equation number 5, is implies that y equals to 15 minus x. This is our equation number 5. So here we substitute the above two values here, and we easily get the value of y. So when you substitute the value of x1, then we get the value of y1 equals to 15 minus x1 is 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we take the LCM of this term, and we have the LCM is 30 minus 15. We multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, so we get 30 minus 15 into 5 into square root of 5. So that here we need some simplification, and we write it as y1 equals to 30 minus 15 equals to 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the value of y1 corresponding to the value of x1 is this. Okay, so here we move towards to find the value of y1, so that here we need to substitute this value of x2 in this equation. Okay, so we get y2 equals to, this is 15 minus x, and the value of x is 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. So here we take the LCM of this term, and the LCM is 2, and it is written as 30 minus, we multiply this minus sign on each of these terms, and it is written as 15 plus 5 into square root of 5. So here we need some simplification, and you get here 30 minus 15 becomes 15, and this is plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2, and this is the value of y2. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation, and the first solution is x1 y1 equals to 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2, and y1 is 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 divided by 2. And the second solution is x2 and y2, it is equals to 15 minus 5 into square root of 5 over 2, and 15 plus 5 into square root of 5 over 2. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.